this video, we are going to learn the most important aspect of the business life. So today's subject is about writing a business plan. A business plan can make or break a small business. A strong detailed plan provides a clear roadmap for the future, force you to think through the validity of a business idea, and can give you much greater understanding of your business, financial, and the competition. A business plan typically looks out over 3 to 5 years, detailing all of your goals and how you plan to achieve them. If you are applying for a loan or looking for an investor, a business plan shows you are prepared and have full vetted your business idea. If you have no financial forecast, which is part of the business plan, it is very difficult to show the bank how you are going to repay the loan. By the way, if you didn't subscribe and click bell icon, do it now to not miss our next video, which is how to write marketing plan. So let's go deep into our section. The first step is executive summary. This is the first page of your business plan. It should include a mission statement which explains the main focus of your business, as well as a brief description of the product or service, offering basic information such as ownership structure and a summary of your plan. The base, a company description. This section provides a snapshot of your small business. It contains important information, includes its registration names, address of any physical location, name of key people in the business, history of the company, nature of the business, and more details about product or service that it will be offered in it. The third step is objective statement or business goals. An objective statement should clearly define your company's goals and contain a business strategy that details how you plan to achieve them. It spells out exactly what you would like to accomplish both in the near term and over the long term. If you are looking for outside funding, you can use this section to explain why you have a clear need for the funds, how the financial will help your business growth, and how you plan to achieve your growth target. The key is to provide a clear explanation of the opportunity presented and how the loan or investment will grow your company. For example, if your business is launching a second product line, you might explain how the loan will help your company launch the new product and increase its sales by 50 over the next 3 years. The fourth step is a business and management structure. Here you will list your business legal structure such as sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, as well as key employees, manager, or other owner of the business. It should also include the percent ownership that each owner has and the extent of each owner's involvement in the company. The fifth step is product and services. In this section, you can detail the products or services you offer or plan to offer. It should include the following steps: an explanation of how your product or service works, the pricing model of your product or service, the typical customer you serve, your sales and distribution strategy, why your product or service is better than what the competitors are offering, how you plan to fill the orders. You can also discuss current or pending trade market and patents associated with your product or service. The sixth part is marketing and sales plan. This is simply an explanation of what your marketing strategy is and how you will execute it. Here you can address how you plan to persuade customers to buy your product or service, or how you will develop customer loyalty that will lead to repeat business. This section can also highlight the strengths of your business and focus on what sets your business apart from your competition. 7 is business financial analysis. If you are a startup, you may not have much information on your business financial yet. However, if you are an existing business seeking a small business loan, you will want to include income or profit and loss statements. A balance sheet that lists your assets and debts, and a cash flow statement that show how cash comes into and goes out of the business. You may also include ratio that highlight the financial health of your business, such as net profit margin, the percentage of revenue you keep as net income, and current ratio, the measurement of your liquidity and ability to repay the debts, account receivable turnover ratio, a measurement of how frequently you collect or receive per year. The 8 is financial projections. This is a critical part of your business plan. If you are seeking financing or investors, it outlines how your business will generate enough profit to repay the loan, or how you will earn a decent return for investors. Here, you will provide your business monthly or quarterly sales, expenses, and profit statements over at least 3 years period, with the future numbers, assuming you have obtained a new loan. Accuracy is key, so carefully analyze your past financial statement before giving projection. Your goals may be aggressive, but they should also be realistic. It's okay to be optimistic if you can justify it. In general, you don't want to stand out in a negative way by being too optimistic. So you want to show that your business can generate strong enough cash flow to overpay the regular debt payment on a loan, but you should also address the various risk factors of the business. So the loan officer is definitely going to want to know that you have thought through all of the potential risk, and that you have mitigated those risks in some way. The last part is appendix, and the most important and most interesting. List any supporting information or other additional information that you couldn't fit in elsewhere, such as resumes of key employees, license, equipment leases, permits, patent receipts, bank statement, contracts, and personal and business credit history. If the appendix is long, you may wanna consider adding a table of contents at the beginning of this section. If you like this video, share and subscribe, and click bell icon to not miss our next video. And if you didn't like it, let us know to improve next videos.